Assalamu alaikum. I am Shahin Alam sir. Today I will teach you how we can sense our mouse cursor, mouse pointer. Okay, at the first time we have to go settings. We have to go settings. Here we see that settings. Then we have to go mouse setting. Here we can see that the devices Bluetooth, printers and mouse. Okay, I click here and then I see that mouse. I have also cleaned that mouse, and on the right hand side I see that adjust mouse and cursor size. So I click here. Here we see that sense pointer size. If we drag the point in the left side, then it will be larger, smaller, and if we drag this uh, point in the right side, then it will be greater. So that's why we can sense the mouse pointer size. Okay, and also we can also sense the color of the mouse pointer. If we click the black, then you show that it will be sensed in a black color, and if we click here, then we can also sense in many colors. You are seeing that yellow and brown and green. There are many colors here, and so I click this color, and so my mouse pointer is turned into this color. And so today I just show you how we can sense uh, pointer size, mouse pointer size, and sense the color of the pointer. Thank you very much. Uh, please like my video, comment and share this. Thank you.